Hello everybody, welcome to our e-learning network EduTune. I'm 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐥, public speaking mentor and language instructor. Today we are going to learn a part of grammar which is very simple but interesting. Majority of the students become confused and puzzled when they think about the pronunciations, whether these are the and the. So this is the high time we needed to figure out what it would be. Alright, আমরা অনেক সময় মনে করি যে the and the এই pronunciation গুলো হয়তো same এবং এভাবেই আমরা শিখে এসেছি. But there is a key discrepancy that you need to figure out now. Okay, so let's comprehend. There are 26 alphabets in total in English. Among them, 5 are vowels and 21 are considered consonants. এখন vowel দিয়ে যেসব word start হয় সেগুলোর আগে আমরা the pronounce করব আর যেগুলো consonant দিয়ে start হয় তার আগে আমরা the বলবো. But majority of the students they think that these two are same. So we need to figure out this. Alright, so let's see an example. Okay, could you please guess what's the pronunciation? It's the child because C, the word is started with C. So it's a consonant. So the child. Okay. So in another example. Okay. So could you please guess what is the pronunciation? It's the egg because the word is started with one of the vowels which is E. Okay. So some other examples are the ball. Okay, so and another consonant is here. Okay, and okay, so it's the ice cream because here we got vowel I. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you now. All right. Okay, duster please. Okay. এখন আমরা আরেকটা কমন সেন্টেন্স শিখব। আমরা অনেক সময় ভুল করে কোনো কিছু ফেলে আসলে আমরা কমনলি যে সেন্টেন্সটা ইউজ করি I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my key in the car. এভাবে আমরা ইউজ করি। But do you know this sentence is not grammatically sound. So what should we use? Alright, so if I write the sentence I forgot my phone at home. Okay, এটা দিয়ে আমরা বুঝিয়ে থাকি যে আমি বাসায় ফেলে রেখে এসেছি আমার ফোন. But this is not grammatically sound. Okay, so where's the correct sentence? I left my phone at home. এটাকে forgot না বলে বলতে হবে left কারণ আপনি ফেলে রেখে এসেছেন ওটা. Okay, so in the same way we can make some other sentences. I left my key in my car. I left my notebook in the classroom. Okay, so now I hope it's clear to you. Okay. All right, so these were our topics. Thank you very much for watching. And this will be immensely helpful for you to use in your sentences and it will be immensely helpful for your day-to-day life conversation. So thank you very much. Goodbye.